Hi guys, and welcome to the Bridge Classic Cars workshop. Our team have been working super hard on some fantastic projects over the last month, and we'd love to show you what we've been up to.
A very good morning from Cambridgeshire today. So we're at the Imperial War Museum in Duxford because it's the H&H Classic Car auction. As you can see behind, there's some cars outside, but that hangar is enormous and it's absolutely full of cars. So it would make some great competition cars. So we'll see what happens. And I'll take you around, you can have a look at all of the cars inside.
This is a Porsche 911 and we're going to refit the whole carpet. First process is to get all the old carpet out and then clean any old glue off the bodywork, and then we hoover it all out so we can start from scratch, and then we can start gluing the new one in. The next step is we start at the front where these pockets are, and then we'll work our way down. Each bit overlaps each other, so we'll work our way back, doing the sills all the way to the back seats. Now I'm just doing around the footwell and the pedals, and then the last bit will be the footwell carpets.
Not only have we been super busy in the workshop, but we have picked up something really special.
A very good morning. It's the 14th of January. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's absolutely freezing and we're at Harwich International Port. We're here because probably in about 10-15 minutes time we're meeting a good friend of ours, Jörg, who's bringing over a car for us to have a look at. He's bringing over his MGC Roadster. It's a very special MGC Roadster. He's got lots and lots of goodies on it, but he's bringing it over for us today. The car is lovely. It's very, very responsive. The car has got a few little moans and groans at the moment, but we'll get rid of that. But certainly out on the open road, the engine, the triple carburetors, the overdrive unit, it's second to none. It really makes you feel like you're driving a high performance little classic sports car.
Oh, it does sound good, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
So not only do we have the live draw of 2 cars, but we also have some really, really exciting news for you.
Behind us you'll probably see quite a familiar car. Back in October of last year, Jarlath won this car. This is our TVRS 2, and it was probably one of the most popular competitions we did. We launched the car, and I think within just over 24 hours the car had sold out, much to a lot of people's disappointment because a lot of people didn't see the car. So anyway, a couple of days ago I got an email from Jar who said he absolutely loves his car, but he's been moved by everything that's going on in Ukraine at the moment, and he just felt he's had a really good time in his life, and he didn't need an extra car, so he asked us if we wanted the car back, but he's also asked us if every single penny of this competition will go over to the Ukraine to help with what's going on over there.
So is this the very first drive?
Yep. It's a very gentle one, short one.
What sort of things are you looking for?
Oh, it's just a matter of bedding in brakes, making sure it doesn't overheat. And that'll give us a little bit of a trial, see if we've got any leaks when we get back. shocks are on soft at the moment, the softer setting, so
we can go harder from here if we needed to.
yeah. I think there's 20 settings on each one. You can hear it's a bit loud, and also your rev counter sits just above 1,000 when it should be more 750.
Is that easy enough to take down?
Yeah, it's just a matter of making sure the mixture's okay and then just adjusting the screw and the carburetor. Because we've got new pads on and discs, you normally say about 100 miles from the bedding nicely.
Yeah.
The discs are painted, so you've got to take the paint off as well.
Are we going to do much of that running in?
Yeah. There'll be a couple more journeys and we'll go up to Bentwaters and we'll do the rest of it around Bentwaters. I think we'll stiffen it up a bit as well.
Thank you for joining us with our tour of what we've been up to over the last month. We'd love to share more of this with you, so if you'd like to see more, then make sure you let us know. In the meantime, have a great day.